there, and welcome to another BluuBin tutorial. In this tutorial, we will cover setting up your company all the way to making your first invoice. To get started, make sure that you are logged in and on the BluuBin dashboard. From the BluuBin dashboard, click on Setup on the top right. Then click on Financial Setup in the left navigation bar. From here, you can view your current financial setup. We will only cover the most important fields in this tutorial. In later videos, we will cover areas in more detail. To start editing your financial setup, click on the Edit button on the bottom left. First, let us select the correct financial year end for your company. Select in which currency your company will be operating. Add your company registration name, trade name, and if applicable, VAT number. Once you have filled in your information, click the Save button. Now on to adding a bank account and setting up a general ledger. Click on Financial in the top right menu. This will redirect you to the Financials dashboard. To add a general ledger, click on the General Ledger Setup in the left navigation bar. Then click on Load Generic Template. Select the type of company you are from the drop-down list provided. Scroll to the bottom and click on the Load Template button. From here, click on Bank Accounts in the left navigation bar. Then click on Add New Account. Choose your bank from the bank drop-down list. Then add your bank name or your own description of this account in the description box. Enter your account number and choose your account type. Then enter the branch name and code. When you are done, click on Save. We are almost at generating your first invoice. Click on Customers in the top menu. From this dashboard, click on Customer Setup in the left navigation bar. Then click on Create New. The necessary fields are description, account number, and registered name. You can generate an account number by clicking on the Generate Account Number button. Click on Banking Details. Select the customer's payment method from the drop-down list. Click Save. Now let's make an invoice for this customer. Click on Invoice in the left navigation bar. Then click Create New. Select the date that you would like to have appear on the invoice. Then select your customer from the drop-down list. Add your reference and account number. Enter your invoice details such as selecting your ledger account from the drop-down. Entering your description, quantity, price, and tax. Once completed, click on Submit and your invoice will get generated. There you have it. You have gone from setup to making your first invoice in 5 minutes. Thank you for watching this BluuBin tutorial. Make sure to check out our other tutorials for some more helpful tips. If you have any questions about this tutorial or need any other assistance, feel free to mail us at support@bluubin.co.za.